So I got my daughter's car in here, and I wouldn't believe it if I didn't see it myself. You know how you put baking soda to clean up battery connections? Now, this thing makes its own corrosion for some reason on the negative cable. I literally came over here, and I have some pink Himalayan salt, and I had a little bit of dish soap, and then I threw in some of this. You can see my fingerprints there. I just scraped it off into some hot water. Then all I did was dip the battery clamp into this, which used to be clear. I didn't scrape it or anything. I had my wire brush ready to scrape it. I did nothing. Check this out. What is that? Goes against everything I've ever been taught. How does that work?